We are going to start by talking about what we call long tail keywords. Now this is a phrase you will hear a lot of as an internet marketer. People bandy it around all the time. Some of them know what it means, others just know it's a good thing without really understanding it. So what are long tail keywords? Well, they're two or more words forming a phrase. So it's a long tail keyword for the weight loss niche would be natural weight loss program, natural weight loss diet, weight loss nutrition plan, something like that. So they're basically, it's a phrase rather than a key word. We don't tend to use the word key phrase because it doesn't sound as good, does it? You know, keyword, oh, that sounds good, it's powerful, it's positive. Whereas key phrase, it's a bit, you know, a bit more blah. So we don't tend to use the word key phrase, but when we say keyword, what we actually mean is key phrases. We very, very rarely target single words in our search engine optimization. We will get found in the search engines for single words, but very few people type in a single word to find anything. The search engines have become much more humanistic, so people tend to type in, you know, full-length words. Yeah, how can I lose weight naturally would be a typical query. So that gives you an idea of the sort of thing that people are typing in. Another word for our long-tail keywords is low-hanging fruit. These are terms that you are going to hear and that people will talk about. I just want you to be aware of the different terminologies that you may well hear. Now, the good thing about long-tail keyword is it more precisely defines the niche or what someone's searching for than a typical keyword. Now, if I typed in weight loss, yeah, how many millions of results am I going to get that are going to be completely irrelevant? See, people who search on the internet are understanding that just typing in weight loss is not going to get you the results you want. You need to be more precise. The more precise you are in your search, the more precise your results are going to be. Therefore, people are using long tail keywords more in their searches than they were, 2 to 3 years ago. So it precisely defines the niche. It's much more targeted. Somebody who types in weight loss, well, they could be looking for anything. Are they a teenager, a man, a new mum? Are they looking for natural weight loss? Are they looking for weight loss supplements, pills? What is it? Where somebody who types in weight loss hoodie, for example, they're looking specifically for the herb hoodie to use for weight loss. Someone who types in a weight loss diet plan, they're looking for a diet plan. So you can see it's a lot more targeted, a lot more focused, which means for you, you may not get as many visitors to your site for the keyword, but the visitors that you get are going to be much more targeted visitors with an interest in whatever it is you have on your site. So here we have an example. Weight loss is a keyword. A long tail keyword is natural weight loss program. So it gives you an idea. Long tail keywords are longer and more precisely defined in niche, and you have to remember that. It's going to give you better targeted traffic, which is what you want. The more targeted your traffic, the better chance you have of converting them into a buyer. Now this is particularly important with pay-per-click. Now pay-per-click, if you're bidding on weight loss, 1 in 10 may actually be interested in what you have. Whereas if you're bidding on natural weight loss program, you may get 50% or higher interested. So, it's going to give you much better results, and with pay-per-click, it's going to save you money using long-tail keywords. Now, you can expect to get less traffic with a long-tail keyword. It's natural. Less people search for it. The reason being, it's more precisely defined. However, the traffic's going to be better quality. Now, I come from the school of thought of I'd rather have less traffic that's of a higher quality than more traffic of a poor quality. The reason being, the higher quality traffic that's more targeted, more focused, is going to be more likely to buy or interact with you positively and profitably on your site. So the traffic from long tail keywords is typically easier to learn from. If I'm looking for a natural weight loss program and I've just typed in weight loss, chances are half a dozen more sites I click on are not going to be what I want. I'm going to scroll through until I find what I want. If I don't find it, I might try to do other searches. So long tail keywords are generally easier to earn from because people know what they're looking for. They are also usually significantly cheaper for pay-per-click. A keyword like weight loss, you could look at paying, $5 to $10, possibly even more for a click on Google AdWords. For natural weight loss program, you could look at $1, maybe even less if you've optimized your landing page around the same keyword. Typically, there are less competition for the long tail keywords. Now, obviously, more people are finding long tail keywords and using them, but there's millions of combinations out there, so it's going to be some time before it's completely saturated. But often, the long tail keywords are much easier for you to rank for. So, weight loss may have, 200 million competing sites, but natural weight loss program may only have 1 million or less, which it makes it a lot easier for you to rank for. Now, of course, there's a side benefit. In your key phrase, you rank for all the keywords. So your keyword, you rank for every single word in that. So, natural weight loss program would rank you for natural weight loss. That's a key phrase. Weight loss program, and natural weight loss program. So, by targeting natural weight loss program, you're increasing your rank for 4 keywords just by targeting the single long tail keyword. Now, you may be wondering how you'd get to the top of the search engines for something like the keyword weight loss. Weight loss is obviously a highly competitive market. Millions of results. You easily get to the top by focusing on long tail keywords that have weight loss in. And you get lots and lots of backlinks with those long tail keywords in. And guess what? It won't be long before you start to rank well for weight loss. That's the secret. Just keep at it. The more links you can get, not necessarily for your main keywords, but for any keywords like natural weight loss program, the better you're going to rank and the better you're going to do. Now that's long tail keywords for you. We've had a brief discussion about them. I want you to understand that they're very important, and what we're looking for when we do the research we're going to do is we're looking for long tail keywords. They're the ones that are profitable, easy to rank for, and of course there's a lot less competition. So let's get on with the next step. We want to talk more about long tail keywords, we want to talk more about keyword research and how you can start making money from these keywords.